To safeguard your vehicle, begin by tapping the menu button. From the menu, click on Car Tracking. Here, you will register your vehicle. Click Add New Vehicle. You'll be prompted to enter details like the make, model, license plate, and even upload a photo. Once saved, the vehicle is registered and ready. One morning, you walk out and your parking spot is empty. That moment of panic, but you remember Cima. You quickly open the app and go to your car tracking section. Your registered car is there. You tap Report Stolen. A confirmation message appears asking if you are sure. You confirm. Immediately, Cima springs into action. Your phone becomes a real-time tracker. What can Cima do from here? Live tracking. You will see your vehicle live location on the map, helping you direct authorities. Community alert. Anonymously, alerts are sent to other Cima users in the area, requesting them to be on the lookout. Police integration. The app provides direct access or information to law enforcement, speeding up the reporting process. In summary, Cima's car tracking features allow you to register your vehicle securely. If stolen, you can instantly report it, enabling live tracking, leveraging the community for lookouts, and providing critical information to police, all from your smartphone.